Okay, I no idea where I'm going. I'm freaking out. I hate not knowing where I'm going. I have to talk to someone and I have no one to talk to because there's no service. What if some little person with like a saw comes out and like kills me? Anyway, last night, or the night before, one of those two, there was a big oil spill on the highway. And some truck from New Jersey or something had to go and clean up the oil and pump it or whatever. And they're in the middle of cleaning it. So they had an exit by Cokeville, Tennessee. And, to get you off of. There's no detour signs or everything for dumb blondes like me who are so used to their one little highway, not venturing off onto the roads of barns and moonshine and cows right there. If you can see, there's cows over there and a bunch of other things. Hay, trees. See, I'm not used to all that. I'm used to buildings and traffic jams and not little things that have razor blades on them and I don't know if they're on trailers, but whatever. Anyway, horses. I'm used to all that. Anyway, I started getting off the exit, following all the semis and everybody. Then eventually everybody seemed like they knew where they're going and ventured off in their own little different ways. And now I'm stuck by my grandpa's directions and he wanted me to let him know where I'm going. Well, Putnam, I know that. Putnam. Oh, I have service. Oh, yeah, it said there's a guy with some random chainsaw coming to kill me. I know I don't have service anymore. Anyway, I'm stuck on this little road. I don't know where I'm going, and I'm freaking the fuck out. I just want to get home. She just went to fucking Chattanooga, did a whole other whatever. Never know. Oh, I think there was a duck. Anyway, I'm freaking the fuck out. Oh yeah. Perfect song for this, by the way. It's talking about all you gotta do is keep strong and move along. See? Move along, just to make it through. Thanks for the inspiration from the irony of music. I'm thirsty, okay? I'm thirsty. I'm fucking thirsty. I have to pee, okay? There's no toilets around here. There's no McDonald's, the pull over, go to the bathroom, get something to drink, nothing, nada, zip. I have a cavity, okay? And it's getting really hot in here, even though I have the AC on. I'm freaking out. I feel like I'm gonna have a panic attack, and I don't like it one bit. Still no service. I'm pissed. Damn fucking people and hydroplaning and causing accidents and shit. Though, on a plus side, I got to thinking, because I called my grandpa and he got out his map and was telling me where to go and stuff. And, one thing, how do Montgomery limestone? Anyway, how do people know who makes the maps what each and every street name there is? Is there like certain little people in little different groups throughout the state that give up all the street names? Or is there a satellite? How do they make this? Huh? Huh? I got to think. Putting my brain cells. Damn it, the fucking forgot the PSP. Anyway, also what I was thinking about was, I'm all by myself, dude. What the crap? Like, why? Anyway, I also got to thinking, have you ever seen that, like, ham and cheese combined little